Cyn is busy.
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.
Hello, Cyn Doll here, coming to you with another video. What my creativity looks like in combination with my scientific mind and my love for the hair industry, my love for other black women and teaching us our divinity. Like, this is what it looks like. This is what I've transitioned to as a licensed cosmetologist, gone herbalist and scientist, but still a cosmetologist, just morphing and combining them all into one. This is what it looks like. You already know, subscribe to my channel and then click on the bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. This was my last pop-up weekend, you guys, and I want to say that even though I've only done one pop-up, it was one of the most rewarding ones that I've ever done. And this woman here is truly one of the most amazing people, humans, women's I've ever met in my life. And I don't know if it's because she from the D or what, but oh, listen, it just made me feel away. This beauty here, we have some scalp issues that we treated on this day in particular. All right, for all of the products used in her treatment, in her scalp treatment, make sure you check the links in the description box below. Now, she had a combination of Telogen Effluvium and some other things that, you know, is none of your business, but the main point of her treatment today was to get her scalp out of Telogen Effluvium and to remove any dead skin cells or any bacteria that could be infecting the scalp, slowing down the hair's natural hair growth cycle. That was the main purpose of our appointment. Now, at this point, I am round brushing her hair, and what I am doing by round brushing her hair is closing the cuticle. I'm closing the cuticle, all right? And by closing the cuticle, I'm smoothing it down. And not only am I closing the cuticle, I am telling the hydrogen bond that is broken, the wet hair, I'm telling it that I want it to go in a new form. And the round brush helps me do that in an amazing way. Check the link in the description box below to learn a little bit more about that. We have to first treat her scalp, and now that her scalp is treated, she also has a full regimen. All of my models go home with a PDF that helps them break down their entire hair growth routine in a very, very simplistic way. You guys, I have a new fillable ebook for you, and this ebook is a planner, and it's not just any planner. It's a planner that helps you track your scientific brushing schedule, your wash day, your trims, and everything that goes into hair care. But let's get into some reviews. So I just decided to jump into my computer really quick and give you guys a look into my website. I know I talk a lot about my 7-day hair growth challenge, but here I actually want to give you guys some testimonials just so you can see that I'm not just blowing smoke, right? So here is my website. Once you click on testimonials, you can look at a lot of the different ones that I have. So today I'm just going to read a couple of my favorite ones, and this, if you want to hear them, then just sign off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so you said, I was stuck. I was not retaining length despite my efforts, and I am so glad that a friend told me about Cyn. I started with the 7-day challenge, and straight after that signed up for her platform. My hair feels so soft. I no longer have tangles, and I have a routine that works and that I can stick to. I also purchased Cyn Doll's hair journal, and it has been so helpful in helping me to document how my hair is doing and when I am due. a deep conditioning, or a trim. Thank you, Cyn. You're awesome. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. It is my pleasure. Okay. It is my pleasure. This is what I mean, you guys. I want to make sure that you guys are able to get results. I decided to join Guru 101 after finding Cyn on YouTube. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel of protective styling just to grow my hair out, only to finally wear it out and then have to cut it all off again. Then to go back into protective styling because of the damage that gets done in between all of that from improper hair practices. Shake my damn head. Finally, I was loving the way that my hair felt just from Cyn's hair growth challenge, but my hair was still a hot mess. I had see-through areas in my length and couldn't do anything with it. So I went ahead and booked a one-on-one consultation. Cyn encouraged me to start fresh and to give my hair a chance. So I went ahead and I did my last big chop and I had it all shaved off. Listen, I remember this and I know exactly who this person is, so I'm like feeling away. All right. This was the best thing I ever did for my hair. I am so thankful to Cyn for being so compassionate and giving me the courage to do it. Since then, I was able to discover and address my scalp issues, which led me discovering and addressing some underlying health issues. I'm pretty sure that I would not have noticed any of these issues if it wasn't for Cyn encouraging me to do what's healthy for my hair. Had I continued what I was doing, I would have ended up with completely bald patches in my hair. But instead, my beautiful curls and coils are in full effect, and my hair is the healthiest it has ever been. In addition to healthy hair and overall health improvement, the very best thing to come out of working with Cyn is that for the first time in a very long time, I can look in the mirror and love my God-given beautiful natural hair. I mean this, 4B, 4C girl is truly just in love with my coils and curls like never before. I love my hair. I love wearing my hair. I love taking care of my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Even though I no longer feel like I have to wear a weave on to look or feel beautiful anymore. Thank you so much, Cyn. You are truly appreciated. Listen, this is why I do what I do. And for no other reason, I don't care nothing about the fluff. I don't care nothing about people who want to go back and forth. This is why whenever people are trying to be combative and argue in the comments, I never want to hear it ever. And I'm never entertaining it, because at the end of the day, my tactics work. And it's not just my tactics. I am a scientist, and a scientist doesn't make up anything. All a scientist does is study God's creation. And upon studying God's creation, which is us, the human being, we are able to understand how the body works. And I understand that I am not the creator of this body. So I need to figure out how to work with it in co-creation with the creator, with my body. And that's what I teach my clients, you guys.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I problem solving in the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever
Trust that exactly where you are is where you're meant to be. So keep your chin up so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.